All right, and we're back. Today's video is just a quick unpackaging. And I'll show you what we got here. Let's get this. Yeah, okay, double packaged. And we'll get this. And there's two of them. All right, these are the Streamliner shifter pegs. All right, these are basically, you get two. This comes off of Amazon. You get two of them for heel and toe shifters, okay, for the touring bikes. But what I'm going to do is I don't use a heel shifter on my Street Glide. My ankle doesn't want to rotate like that. So what I'm going to do is one of these is going to go on the Sport Glide for a shifter to get rid of that Willie G, and the other one will be put on my Street Glide, so to match the brake pedal. So that's that piece on today that came in, and of course we'll do a video on how to do that when the time comes here. It's 4 inches of rain here today. There's not much biking going on. All right, and the next one is something that I've been wanting to get. If I can get this open real quick. Let's try it like that. Yeah, that opened it. All right, very good. Come on. Get this out of here. We'll be in business. Well, he wrapped it really good. This came off of eBay. This was an eBay purchase. And this is an OEM Streamliner brake pedal. And I wanted this for the Sport Glide. So this is a genuine Harley. It came off. He put on, I guess he put on a Willie G or some other brake pad, and he yanked this off. So I'm going to put this on my Sport Glide. So everything that's needed there cost me 30 bucks. It was well worth it, being brand new, because the Willie G that's on there now is like that big, and it's terrible to get the damn brake pedal. So this is what should be on there, especially now that I converted to floorboards, and this will bolt right on. And again, this thing is brand new. So that'll be another how-to video. They're pretty simple to change, but I'll do a video to show you guys how it's done. And this way, you know how to do it for yourself. All right, with that said, that's the extent of today's stuff. Just a quick unpacking. So thanks again for watching. Please don't forget to hit like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video.